Hi Vikings, this is Scarlett, here to teach you a little bit about heroes. I had some of you guys message me about that, so I want to help you guys learn what they're about, learn basically how to assign them better and whatnot. So we'll start with hero qualities. So hero qualities are the different colors that they are. So we have yellow, we have orange, we have purple, and we have blue. Blue is the weakest, so focus on upgrading your stronger hero qualities like the purple, the orange, or the yellow. The gold heroes are the best. So Menandri and Dolan Sikil are the best heroes that I have right now. Menandri actually helps me to increase my single dispatch size. So upgrading her further will help basically put more of my troops in a single dispatch. So I just upgraded her rank to 2-star. So you can have 5 stars. And once you have 5 stars unlocked, you can upgrade them all the way up to level 120. If you upgrade them to 120, that means you can unlock, at level 100, you can unlock all 4 skill sets. The built-in skill is on her, of course, that troop, the dispatch size. So I do have one hero that I've upgraded to level 100. It's a purple quality hero with a battle prestige. It's Dakill. So I've actually filled all 4 of his slots with skills. His Warhorse skill was embedded, so that means that he automatically had a predisposition for being good at increasing cavalry attack. So he is the guy that I send out on a dispatch that is heavy in cavalry. You need somebody who's strong at cavalry. You need someone who's strong at archery, someone who is strong with siege, and then someone who's strong with infantry. So you need all 4 of those troop type to have a hero that will help represent them, basically. So my infantry guy is Rhinox, so I send him out for my infantry battles whenever I have heavy and infantry dispatch, because his embedded skill is Berserker, which gives him added infantry attack and defense. Right now, the guy I have for my war machines that I send out with those is the little bomb guy, this guy. So he goes out with them. Right now I need to increase his rank to 3 stars so I can upgrade him more with knowledge potions so I can get more out of his buffs. So his fixed skill is Bomb Apprentice, so he sends out, he deals more damage when sending out heavy and war machines. So in my archer person, I have been using her, so she has broadheads. That's her fixed skill. It gives her a predisposition to be better at archer attacks. So when I'm heavy on archers, I send her out with my dispatch. If I'm collecting, I use, so, if I'm attacking, the game auto assigns a hero. You may want to pick your hero who goes with your dispatch manually, because sometimes the game isn't right. Sometimes you know who you have your skills placed with, so you know who's better for what type of attack. And remember, if you're not sure what kind of skill to assign these people, look at the handbook. You can buy the appropriate skills for them from the skills shop. So in development, these are the people who are, or the heroes that are, I've not upgraded a lot, but they're good for basically resource collection and tile collection, things like that. So I haven't focused on them as much, but they do help you increase your collection speeds. Let me show you Assist. Assist, it's a shame there's not more of these guys, especially people like this one, because he helps increase training speed. And I want to rank him up, but I am just a few shards away from upgrading him to a 2-star so that I can upgrade him more. But this guy is a huntsman. He is a orange quality, so he has basically a lot faster of a marching speed than Vanitar, who is also a hunter, but he only has like half the monster marching speed. And he's a level 60 compared to a level 42. So you can see how weak the blue heroes are in comparison to the orange. So I want to tell you about this guy at the bottom. He is, if you can get him, that is wonderful. He's a guy you should move around when you're assigning your heroes. Let's talk about hero assignment. That guy's really actually good at helping you train troops faster. So if I go to assign and I look at where all my people are assigned, my best trainer is this orange quality hero here, Arcadis. He helps me increase training speed by 9.87%. That's him. So if I move him around before I start training in a building, I'll actually be able to put that in archery. I'll be able to put it in cavalry, and he'll help speed that up. These guys aren't the greatest, but they do give me some kind of place to put them. I mean, it's just a placeholder, really. Troop healing, I don't really have any major buffs in that. But for trap making, the best guy for that is this little guy, the purple quality guy. He definitely helps. His embedded skill is trap making, so he definitely speeds up your trap making. As for domestic affairs, Braith is a diviner, so that's his embedded skill. So he increases yield production, the yield on resource tiles that's inside your castle. So for research, you're going to want to put Darius since he got the upgrade from the new game upgrade update. So he helps to decrease build time, and Falso actually helps to decrease the cost of research. So those are the two guys you want in your technology. Resource protection, Rowan Fury's geared toward that. Linny I just put there. Manning the walls. This is probably something you guys want to know. Rafe is best at manning the walls. He has Claw and Maul as his fixed skill, so he's great at that. I don't have a second person picked out here because I just don't have one that I think really fits well there in the sense of helping me increase the percentage of damage dealt. Like if I go into Rafe, let me go into my heroes section, and I go check out Rafe, look at how much of a bonus he's getting for walls, 25%. I mean, that's great. But nobody else has that same wall protector ability at that level. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of information. I hold on to skill books sometimes if I don't want to assign them to somebody who, doesn't need them. But anywho, if you guys have questions, ask me, post a comment. Also, Princess is also very good at managing heroes and putting them in really good spots too. So ask her questions too if I don't know the answer. And I hope this video has helped you guys.